Just like every other morning, time to get some breakfast to get the day started. See you guys right after. What's going on, YouTube? Luis Ventura here. Thanks for clicking on another one of my videos. I appreciate the love and support. Currently 3:44 in the afternoon right now. I'm actually on my way to the gym. Gonna get some work put in, but yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna be training today. I usually go by feel and the suggestions from my coach. I'm gonna go meet up with him right now, but hopefully I get some good footage for everybody and enjoy. Peace.
Llegó el don. El gran salami, coño. Estate tranquila, Juanita. No te desnudes ahorita.
So I'm here at the gym right now doing chest. It's gonna be drop sets. I'm here with my coach, William from Show On Fitness. A real good trainer. There you go. But yeah, we're doing chest today. Chest, tries, and shoulders. First one was the bench, Smith machine with flies. Now we're moving on to the next, which is
seated shoulder, or we're gonna do a shoulder press, and then the next thing we're gonna do is a pull down.
let's get it. What's going on, guys? So I just got done at the gym right now. Sitting in my car. It is 10 degrees outside, so I'm waiting for it to warm up. But as I'm waiting, I just noticed it's 6 o'clock, so it's time for one of my meals. That's what I'm gonna be having right now while I wait for it to warm up. And for my meal right now, I'm having 35 grams of mixed greens, spinach, kale, and I think there's some romaine lettuce, chopped romaine lettuce in there. Not too bad. 35 grams of that, combined with 6 ounces of focus. There we go. 6 ounces of ground turkey. It is 97% lean. So yeah, gonna have that right now and start heading home. And that's pretty much it for this video. Had a great training session today at the gym, but before I end this video, I just want to leave off with a positive note. No matter how hard things get, how difficult, never give up on your dreams, because you never know how close you are to achieving them. Always trust the process, and with that being said, please like and subscribe and follow along on my journey, and see you till next time. Peace!
No te desnudes ahorita, mamita. Vámonos pa' la casita. Yo sé que tú siempre me necesitas. Mi cara siempre te excita. En la cama yo te como todita.